Badgers may not be the first animals that come to mind when thinking about wildlife, but they are definitely some of the coolest and most unique creatures out there. With their stocky bodies, sharp claws, and unmistakable striped faces, badgers have been quietly living in forests, fields, and even suburban backyards, going about their business in the most fascinating ways. These underrated animals have a ton of amazing traits, and there's a lot more to them than meets the eye. One of the first things that makes badgers stand out is their appearance. With their thick fur and signature black and white striped face markings, badgers have a look that's instantly recognizable. They belong to the mustelid family, which also includes weasels, otters, and ferrets. But unlike their relatives, badgers are mostly terrestrial, meaning they prefer living on the ground rather than in trees or water. They have powerful forelimbs and sharp claws that they use for digging intricate burrow systems, known as setts. These burrows are where badgers live and sleep, and they can have several entrances and chambers to protect themselves from predators and the elements. Badgers are nocturnal creatures, which means they're most active at night. They often go out foraging for food under the cover of darkness, and their diet can be pretty diverse, from small mammals like rabbits and mice to insects, fruits, and even birds' eggs. Badgers are opportunistic feeders. Their sharp claws and strong digging skills allow them to easily hunt for underground food sources, such as worms and insects. They have an excellent sense of smell, which helps them track down food even when it's buried beneath the soil. But badgers aren't just solitary creatures. In fact, they are highly social animals and live in family groups. Badger families, or clans, usually consist of a mother and her offspring, though sometimes other adult badgers join the group. These family members work together to maintain their sets and help each other out. The social nature of badgers is also reflected in their grooming habits. They'll often groom each other, keeping their fur clean and maintaining close bonds within the group. Badger families can be quite tight-knit, with members communicating with each other through a series of grunts, snorts, and growls. Another fascinating aspect of badgers is their role in the ecosystem. By digging tunnels and burrows, badgers help aerate the soil, which benefits plants and other animals. Their foraging also helps control insect populations as they dig up insects and other pests. In some cases, badgers even play a role in seed dispersal, as they might unknowingly transport seeds to new areas while foraging for food. In these ways, badgers contribute to the health and balance of their ecosystems, even if they often go unnoticed.